Okay, we've got an improvised pack frame here. And we're just gonna throw a folded tarp on that pack frame to kind of improvise a load. We're gonna talk about tying a diamond hitch. So we've got a piece of rope here and we've got a bowline knot in the end. And we're going to put that over the center rung, come straight across to the other center rung and back up. And then we're going to catch that right underneath that bowline knot right there. Now, we're gonna take this and we're gonna twist it 3 times. Just like that. Now we're gonna take this end and we're gonna come all the way up to the top rung and around, and we're gonna go through that twist and pull our line through there just like this. Now we're going to come up here and over the top to catch this corner and come down over the rung. Over the rung every time is important, over the rung. We've got the corners captured and we're going over the rung and we're keeping things pulled tight as we go. This line is gonna go straight down underneath everything on the side of the pack frame. So we'll just put it here. We're gonna pull it all the way down the pack frame, over that rung, just like this. So we pull everything tight as we go, just like this. Now we're going to come down to the bottom and we're gonna go over the rung again, back up, and now we're gonna come back through the bottom of this loop, and this is where we're gonna form that diamond for our diamond hitch. When we pull this down, now we formed that diamond here. And we're going to come around again to the bottom and over the top of the rung, pulling everything tight. And again, we're gonna go back underneath everything here with this line. So we'll feed that through just like this. Pulling everything tight as we go. Now we're going to go again over the top of the rung and around. And now we're going to finish this off at the top. We can just take a couple wraps and then we can tie a clove hitch in there to finish it off if we want to. We'll be fine. And then any excess cordage we can just wrap up somewhere and tuck it into a line. Whatever we decide to do with it at that point. And now we have a good diamond hitch on this load. Okay, once you've created this improvised pack frame and you have your load attached, then you're going to need to attach some kind of straps to be able to wear this as a backpack. And you can use rope, you can use paracord if you absolutely had to, although it wouldn't be comfortable. Or you can use some type of webbing. Anything that you have will work. You can just improvise. Double that thing up and just go to the center. This is a 30-foot piece, so it's plenty long for what we want to do. We're going to go to the top rung of this pack and we're going to put a loop of it through the top rung and underneath, just like this. Once we get a loop pulled through there, we're just gonna make a lark's head in that, basically, and pull the line through. And that's going to be the straps of our pack. And they'll go down to the bottom like this when it's on your back to give you a strap. So let's look at that real quick. We would take this and just get the 2 straps in our hand on our back, just like this. Get those straps comfortable across our shoulders. Then we're going to come down to the bottom and wrap around the bottom rung on both sides, just like this. And then we can adjust it to where we want it. And all we need to do is wrap the tails around our waist to take up the excess, whatever excess we have. And then tie a knot off on the end of our choosing. Could be some kind of a slippery hitch of some sort, or it could just be the way you tie your shoes in a bow. It's fine as well. And then you have a pack that you can walk around the woods with fairly comfortably if you've built the pack frame right.